Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export files from Replit. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Replit account or your Replit homepage and the website and sign in using your account credentials. Now, what exactly does export mean in Replit? Exporting in this context means downloading your Replit project or specific files to your local machine, typically as a zip archive. So sometimes people also want to export the database content, but I'm going to cover specifically the general export of files or project. Okay, so the next thing to do is make sure that you have a REPL, or it's called an app now, or project that you want to export. Ensure that you have something that you are already doing that you want to export. Now, if you have many files, folders, or hidden files, make sure everything you need is visible in the files sidebar. Now, I don't have any project, but I'm just going to create one quickly and I'm going to get back to this. Okay, so now from here, head over to the left navigation panel where you have apps. So instead of Repel, that's REPL, it's now called apps in the upgraded version. So just head over to apps from the left navigation panel on your dashboard and open it. And once you open it, you're definitely going to find the apps that you have. Now, from your list of apps or REPL, the next thing that you like to do is to open it. All right. Just go ahead and open it. So just go ahead and open. And once you open your REPL, it's going to take you right into the REPL workspace. Now, if you have files in your particular project, so this project, I'm going to show you where the files are. Usually the files, if you have visible files that you're working on in your project, it should definitely appear at the left navigation panel. But if you do not see it in the left navigation panel, you can just go ahead and click on this plus icon, and then you have a couple of tools here. Just head over to files and click on find the file, and you find all your files here. Now, once you find the file, just go ahead and select any of the files that you have or that you want to export. The next thing to do is to just click on the right button of your mouse, and you're going to see a couple of options here, and one of them is Save As. Now go ahead and click on Save As, and once you click on Save As, you will see that that file is going to be downloaded into your systems folder. And once you click on Save, you'll see that it's going to be downloaded. I don't want to save. Okay, so in the situation where you have files and they're definitely showing on the left navigation panel, that's if you're working on a real project. In the sidebar, you're going to find three dots menu, which may be at the top or in the main file section, depending on the layout or theme. So alternatively, some UI show three dots when you hover over the files or over the project name in the sidebar. So just go ahead and click on the three dots, and it should reveal option like download as zip or download as zip. Download as .zip or download as zip. So if present, click that. Now this packages up all the files or folders of the REPL into a zip file. Now your browser will either prompt save as or automatically download to your default downloads folder. To choose a location, you remember example Replit backups or folder, and once downloaded, just go to the folder and extract the zip. Right click, click on extract or double click depending on OS. Check that all files, folders, including nested ones, are present. And that's pretty much how it works. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.